Hello, 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 hello. Question 3A asks us to explain why the manager decided to use log x1. So, the answer is because the regression model have no linear relationship. Thus, the manager wants to include the linearity model. Question 3B, the question wants us to test the independent variable. So we need to test for V1 and V2. First, the test for V1 is as follows. For the value of V1, we can get from matrix of beta, and as V1 can be found in the matrix of S square B. But we need to square. The value of T for test statistic is 3.928. After that, for the critical value, T alpha over 2 with degree of freedom of error, we get 3.499. Next, the rule we get reject H null because the value of T is greater than T table. Therefore, the conclusion is the number of deliveries is significant to the model. The test for B2 is as follows. For the value of B2, we can get from matrix of beta, and as B2 can be found in the matrix of S square B, but we need to square root the answer first. The value of T for test statistic is 6.3640. After that, for the critical value T alpha over 2 with degree of freedom of error, we get 3.499. Decision rule, we get reject H null because the value of T is greater than T table. Therefore, the conclusion is the distance. Question 3C asks us to test the claim which is consultant for the company claim that the total daily travel line should be less than 4 minutes. First, we need to divide 4 by 60. The value we get is 0.0667. Next, the value of B naught we can get from matrix of beta, and as B naught can be found in the matrix of S square B, but we need to square root the answer first. The value of T for test statistic is 0.2126. After that, for the critical value T alpha over 2 with degree of freedom of error, we get 3.499. Next decision rule, we get reject H null because the value of T is greater than T table. Therefore, the conclusion is A consultant for company claims that the total daily travel time should not be less than. Untuk soalan 3D, nilai X1 dan X2 telah diberi, jadi kita masukkan dekat SH. Kemudian kita dapatkan nilai Y hat H. Kemudian kita cari nilai I square prat. Sebelum itu kena cari nilai MSC dulu. Nilai MSC kita ialah 0.1666. Kemudian tambahkan dengan nilai X transpose H darab X square B darab SH untuk dapatkan X square prat. Kemudian dapat 22.3293. Since dalam formula confidence interval ada standard error, kita kena square rootkan nilai tadi. T0.025 dengan degree of freedom 7 bersamaan dengan 2.365. Bila kita kira-kira, dapatlah nilai 14.936 dan 37.2874.
Question 4. Okay, first, korang baca dulu soalan. Soalan 4A, write down regression model. We just take the value from the B column and put it in the equation. Like we did before, y equal to negative 1.567 plus 0.26x1 plus 0.034x2. Soalan 4B, kita nak test whether our model is useful for predicting GPA. Test statistik kita ambil nilai F dekat appendix 2 which is 39.45 net. Critical value F 0.05 237 dapat 3.275. Decision rule kita dapat reject null. So conclusion the model is useful for predicting GPA. Soalan 4C, both graphs show that there might be a curved linear relationship between mathematics score and GPA. Also, verbal score and GPA. Thus, it should be added. Question 4D is to test whether the additional terms are significant. We need to find the F value of the new model. F equal to 45.7141. Then, after we get our F value, we need to compare with F calculator which is F 0.05334 equal to 2.88. So, we reject hash null.